Okay, and for this question, we're told to find CD and AD. Now let's look at CD. CD, what do we have? We've got C here, we've got D here. So we're talking about this distance here. This is CD. And then AD. Oh my. Okay, let's tidy up. Let's look at that. Let's look at AD. AD, that is A and D. That means we travel from here. We travel past E and go down to D. That means we need what? We need two distances. We need from A to E, which is not given. So we need AE here. That's distance. And then ED. So D starts from here and takes us down to E. No. So this side is already given. So all we need is find the value of AE and then add it to 10, and then we are done for the distance of AD. Excellent. So let's begin solving this question. Let's tidy up first. Now, to solve this question, the two methods we can use the cross multiplication method, which is easier and faster, and we can use the scale factor. So we're going to go through linear scale factor and then get our answer. So let's use the scale factor first, and then we'll now look at the second option, which is the cross multiplication, which is quite faster. So let's do it. Now we go. Let's draw this out to make it much simpler. So we're going to have this here, and then this, and then this. We know that we've got that arrow there. So we're going to take that out. Okay, we'll bring it out. We have that here. Good. And then that means we've got what? We've got A here. A. We've got B. And we've got our E. Okay, good. And let's go for the other one. We're going to go for the bottom one, which is from here. E. We go down here. You see, we go here. And we come there. Okay, we got this here. Let's get this out. And then we bring it here. So this is what we got. Good. That means we've got another E here. And then we've got C here. And then we've got D here. Now this helps us to understand the question. Now, to make them really look, similar, we've got to do something else. Okay, we're going to take this one here. And then we're going to turn it. Good. Beautiful. I'm going to move it. Excellent. Now let's change this letters. That's our D. Okay, got our D here. And then this is C here. Got a C there. And then our E. Beautiful. Okay, so this one here is a small one, which is this. And then this one here is a big one, which is this. Okay, good. Okay, let's put values in. So here we've got AE. AE, we don't have it. We've got BE, which is 3. So we've got 3 centimeters here, 3 centimeters here. So that is BE. Okay, so what else do we have? We have CE, and CE is 12. CE is 12. So we've got 12 here. 12 centimeters there. And then we've got what? We've got DE as 10. DE as 10. Because this is 10. Oh, beautiful. 10 centimeters. Good. What else do we have? Oh, yes, we've got AB. AB is 2. We've got here 2 centimeters. Good. And since these two triangles are similar, yes, they are similar. And the reason why they're similar is got the same angle at E. This angle here is the same. Good. Okay. And for us to have this parallel line sign here, we have one there and the other one there. Helps us to confirm that the two triangles are similar. Good. Let's proceed. Now we want to use the first method, which is using the scale factor. So we're going to go for linear scale factor because we're talking about their distances now. It's not talking about area, it's talking about volume, it's talking about the distance. So we're going to use linear scale factor. So linear scale factor, linear scale factor is equals to big, the big there, over small. Okay, so big over small, what are we going to use? We got this side here which is given, yeah, this side here, 3 and 12, so we're going to use that. So we go for a big one first, which is 12 over 3, and that gives us what? That gives us 4. Beautiful. So our linear scale factor is 4. Now, we need to get what? What are we looking for? We're looking for CD. Where's C and where's D? Oh, CD. This is CD here. This is C and D. The way it's been written, we start with D here. D here. So this is C, from C to D. That's what we're looking for. Good. Okay, so what is CD? Now, since we have our scale factors 4, all we need to do is to go to the smaller one and multiply by 4 to give us the bigger one. So from the smaller one to the bigger one, you will multiply, and from bigger one to the smaller one, you will divide. So to get our CD, so CD here, CD here, is equal to what? Is equal to a scale factor, is equal to the smaller one, which is AB, so which is AB, multiplied by our scale factor. Okay, so CD here will be AB. AB is 2 centimeters, multiplied by a scale factor, which is 4. And 2 times 4 is what? Is 8 centimeters. Okay. Okay, sorted. Now let's go for the other one. The first one is sorted, which is CD. And let's go for AD. Where is AD? AD. AD is here. Let's come here and get our AD. So our AD is, we're going to run from A to E, and then we're going to run from E to D. That gives us AD. We already have part of it. We have ED as 10. We have that as 10. All we need is from here to there. That is AE. So we need AE, which is from here to here. Good. Okay. All we also need here is our scale factor. We already have our scale factor as 4. So this time we are moving from the bigger one, which is this, to the smaller one. So therefore we are going to divide. Okay, let's do it. Now, what do we have? Okay, we have to equal AE. So let's put a demarcation line here. So this one is sorted. Good. So let's go for our AE is equal to DE, because DE is given, which is this. DE, A is what we're looking for. So we go for DE, DE, divide by our scale factor. Because we're moving from the bigger one to the smaller one. So our AE is equal to, what is DE? My DE is 10. 10 divided by scale factor, which is 4. That is 2.5. So it's 2.5 centimeters. So our AE is 2.5. But we're not told to find AE, we're told to find AD. Okay, so our AD is what? Our AD is 2 distance added together. We have AE, we have A to E here. Good. Okay, A to E. And then we will add the other distance, which is E to D. E to D. Okay, so our E to D is here, which is 10. Okay, let's do it. So AD will be AE. We have AE already as 2.5. Here is 2.5. 2.5 centimeters plus ED. Our ED is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. And this gives us what? That is 2.5 plus 10 gives 12.5 centimeters. So this brings us to an end of this question. Our CD is 8 centimeters and our AD is 12.5 centimeters. Now we want to use the cross multiplication method to solve this question. But before we do this, let's expand this diagram so we can understand what we've got. Okay, now let's draw. So we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Okay, and then we've got this one here. And we've got this one here. Beautiful. Now let's bring it out. So let's take this one here. We bring it out. We expand it. Good. Good. Once we understand this, that'll be fantastic. Good. And we have this. We have the center E here. It's very crucial. We've got two triangles. We have one here, the smaller one, and we have one here, the bigger one. Oh, beautiful. Good. Now, for these two triangles, we could see that they converge here. Huh? And then for the other one, which is the smaller one, we can see that occurs on here. Beautiful. Good. 1 and 2. Good. So both of them meet here at this point here. Okay. Now this kind of angle, when you have a straight line like that and like that, we have an X. This is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are the same. So if this is 43 degrees, this must be 43 degrees. Good. So we can say these two angles are the same there. And we put in one stroke. Let's call this a stroke here. One stroke here, one stroke there. And that is sorted. Good. We have two triangles. So we have one stroke here. I just shaded red. So one stroke there and one stroke there. Beautiful. Now we have something else. Here, if we come here, we follow this parallel arrow here. We come from this point and we go this way. We stop here, we move down, and then we stop, and then we continue towards the right. Good. Now we can see that we have an angle here at the very corner here, and then another one here. Now these two angles are of the same value, as it's called alternating angles. So alternate angles, we're going to use two strokes here. So these two angles are of the same value, two strokes. Beautiful. Good. And then finally, we have another one. Let's remove this now. Now we're going to go the other way. We come down here. We come from here. We go this way. We stop. We go up. Stop. And then we continue. We can see that we've got two angles at the elbow here. We've got one here and one there. These two angles are also alternating angles. So good. So we have alternating angles here. We're going to make it 3 strokes. 3 strokes. Second, third. Beautiful. Good. Let's tidy up. Good. Now that is what we've got. So this will really help us. So once you identify this, it makes your question very easy to understand. Good. Now let's go further. Okay, let's put the values. We got 2 centimeters here. Good. We got what? 3 centimeters here. Beautiful. And then we've got what? We got 12 here. And then we've got 10 here. We got A and B here. B, and we got C and D. Excellent. Good. Now we can see that this side, yeah, and this side is similar. Good. Okay, do we still have more? Yes, we do have more. We got this side here, A to E. We can see that we've got what? We've got 3 strokes here and 1 stroke here. And then looking here, from D to E. Oh, we got the same thing. We got 3 strokes here, and we got 1 stroke here. Therefore, these two sides Ah, that is E, A and E and D are similar. And then finally, we've got this. We've got B and and E and C. Let's look at them. Now, we've got what? We've got two strokes here and one stroke there. And here we've got two strokes here and one stroke there. That means those two sides are similar. Beautiful. Good. So the strokes are there to really, really help us out. Good. Now, what are we told to find? We're told to find CD. CD is here. I'm told to find CD. How do we get CD? Where's CD? CD is this distance here, the yellow one. So from here to here is our CD. And we already have this side here. So that's what we're going to use. Good. Then apart from that, what else do we have? That is complete. Oh, wait a minute. We've got this. Oh my. We got this side here. This is 3 and what? And 12 centimeters. So that is the part we will make use of. Okay, good. So we have a complete side which is similar, BE and EC. So we're going to start from big to small. So big to small, that is big, which is 12. To the small one, which is 3. Good. This one is equal to what? Is equal to whatever we're looking for. We're looking for the yellow one. So we're looking for CD, which is this distance here, from here to here. Good. We're looking for CD, which is the bigger one. Start with the bigger one, CD, divided by the smaller one. The smaller one is what? Is AB. Okay, and AB is 2. Beautiful. Good. Let's tidy up and let's solve the question. So here we go. Using the cross multiplication method, we're going to go this way, this times this, and this times this. And we're going to go a bit faster this time. Since we're looking for CD, so CD will be what? Will be, we will take this 2 and multiply them. Good. So we're going to take 12, multiply by 2, and then we're going to divide it by what? We're going to divide it by this one here. Remember, this is how it goes. Take this 2 here, multiply them, and then divide it by this one. Good. Okay, let's start here. Divide by what? By 3. Good. What will that give us? 12 times 2 is 24. Divide by 3 is 8. So we've got 8 there. So the answer there is 8. Our CD is 8. Okay. Let's take this. I'm going to shrink it. I'm going to bring it here. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's take this one here. Let's shrink it. So most of this work now. Okay, bring it here. Still going to use it. Good. Okay, 8 is sorted. And let's go for AD. Okay, let's just tidy up for now. This is sorted. So we're going for AD. Okay, so AD is here. We have A to E and E to D. Beautiful. We already have ED, so we're looking for AE. So we're going to start from the one we've got, which is 12 and 3. Bigger one is 12, the smaller one is 3. So we'll go for the bigger one, which is 12 over 3 will be equal to what? Now we're looking for AE. When we get it, we will add it to ED, and that will give us what? That will give us AD. Okay, 12 over 3. Now we're looking for AE. What do we have? That's a smaller one, but we've got a bigger one. So this is what we're looking for. Let's just start it up. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. Take this out. Take this out. Take this out. And this one. Now, we've got what? We've got this, but we don't have this. Okay, so this belongs to the bigger triangle, and while this belongs to the smaller triangle. So we're going to start from the bigger triangle first. The bigger triangle, we got a 10, and the smaller triangle, you've got what? That's what we're looking for. So that's an AE. Cross multiplication again. So it's going to be this times this and this times this. Okay. So our AE will be what? Our AE will be, we're going to take the one that's complete. 3 and 10 is complete. 3 and 10 is complete. So it's going to be 3 times 10. It's going to be 3 times 10 divided by 12. We've got 12 here. Another 12. Okay, let's get our answer. So just sorted. Just sorted. I'll do what? Oh, we can use 3. 3 and 1 and 3 and 4. The level 10 over 4. And 10 over 4 gives, and 10 over 4 gives the answer 2.5. 2.5 centimeters. Beautiful. So here, all we need to do is to take this value for our AE and add it to ED, and that will give us our distance AD. Okay, let's do that. Let's take this here. Let's take this, move it here. Put this, move it here. Let's out of it. So that's the first part there. This is sorted. And the second part here, we're looking for AD. AD will be the value for AE, which is 2.5 centimeters, and we will add ED to it, which is 10 centimeters. And this will give a total of 12.5 centimeters for our AD. Excellent. So let's just tidy this up. So that's going to be our second solution. Right, this brings us to the end of this question using the second method, which is the cross multiplication method. So our AD is 12.5 and our CD is 8 centimeters. Okay, let's centimeters out there. Centimeters CM. Beautiful.